Yes, $100 is the results you'll get if you're willing to follow my 3 very powerful steps. However, it only works if you don't use any of your own products, creativity, or experience. My system is incredibly predictable when it comes out to churning out $100 a day. But again, it requires you to follow my directions without you trying to do things your own way. This is actually good news for you because the reason you keep failing over and over with income methods is that they do require you to use your creativity, experience, and ideas. That's why I built this system so differently. I don't want you thinking. I don't want you brainstorming. I don't even want you trying to be clever. I just want you to follow 3 simple steps. Can you do that? On that note, here's exactly how it works. Step number 1, the system finds something that's already getting incredible attention online, something that's making someone else a lot of money. Step number 2 is even easier because that's where the software duplicates everything about the money-making thing it found for you. No camera, no microphone, no editing, no technical skills. It just duplicates everything automatically. If you can click a mouse, you're qualified. Then comes step number 3. This is where it gets exciting because that's when my system launches the duplicated success onto a platform I've proven with 99% of users to generate around $100 in profits daily. From there, rinse and repeat, depending on how much you earn. Remember, you're not trying to invent anything. There's no creativity involved here. No expertise wanted from you. You're simply following a system that's already been mapped out for you. That's why beginners do so well with the system, because they don't try to experiment. They just follow directions and money comes out the other end. But this opportunity won't last forever. I'm watching things very closely. And once we get anywhere close to a saturation point, I'm closing down this method for future sales to make sure our current members keep making good money. To get in, click the button below and I'll see you on the inside.